In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website's SEO settings using the Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to improve your site's search engine visibility and make sure potential visitors find you easily, you're in the right place. Let's jump in and explore how you can enhance your SEO with just a few simple adjustments. First, we need to set our page SEO titles and descriptions. To begin, open your site in the Hostinger Website Builder. Once you're in, you'll notice a left sidebar. Look for the Pages and Navigation option and give it a click. This section allows you to control your site's structure and how it's presented on search engines. Now, hover over the page you want to optimize, and you'll see a gear icon appear next to it. Click on that. This will open your page settings, where under the SEO settings section, you'll fill in important details such as the page title and meta description. The page title is quite significant as it shows up in both browser tabs and search results. Ensure your title is concise, descriptive, and naturally integrates relevant keywords that reflect the essence of the page. For instance, if you offer web design services, you might want to use something like Affordable Web Design Services, my brand. Similarly, the meta description should offer a brief yet informative summary of what visitors can expect from your page. It could read something like, "We build modern, SEO-friendly websites for startups and small businesses." This description is crucial as it appears in Google search results and can significantly influence whether someone decides to click through to your site. Remember, using keywords naturally in both titles and descriptions is key to maintaining relevance and appeal to search engines without coming across as spammy. Next, let's move on to customizing your page URLs, commonly known as slugs. While you're still in the page's settings, focus on the URL field. Here, you'll want to enter a clean, keyword-rich slug. This is essentially the tail end of your URL that describes your page content succinctly. For instance, instead of a complex URL, opt for something straightforward and descriptive, like yourdomain.com about us or yourdomain.com/webdesign. This not only looks better to users, but it also enhances search engine crawling efficiency. Once you've entered your desired slug, make sure to save the changes. A quick tip: avoid using long URLs or special characters as they can clutter your URL and confuse both users and search engines. This simple step helps improve your site's overall SEO health and encourages higher visibility in search engine results. And there you have it, your own step-by-step guide to optimizing your website's SEO settings using the Hostinger Website Builder. By following these instructions, you're taking essential steps toward a more search-friendly site, potentially drawing in more traffic and helping your business grow. Keep practicing these SEO techniques, and you'll see the benefits over time. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.